a lot of light and dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. So you have to really figure out the light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, where to place the light and the exact light opacity, the exact dark opacity on the glass to make that glass pop and give that three-dimensional illusion and an optical illusion on a two-dimensional surface. It's really contingent on the consistency, the number of the shades, the level of the opacity on the shade, and the level of... Right. And the point of the horizon, basically, any object at the point of the horizon becomes relatively smaller, regardless as if that object far away is bigger than the object close to you.
Where mutually exclusive disciplines sort of permeate each other to formulate new ideas or groundbreaking paradigms. So we're taking these approaches and we're exploring multiple disciplines simultaneously. We're looking at mental